everyone, welcome to my channel Somya this side, and in our today's video we are going to make a DIY mini mouse wall hanging. As you people requested me to do a DIY video of a gift which includes picture, so here it is. So without any further, let's get started and make a mini mouse wall hanging.
Okay, so firstly we have to take a cardboard or a hardboard, whatever, and cut it into the shape of Minnie Mouse. Then we have to put a black or any color paper you people want to use on it. You have to stick that paper on that Minnie Mouse cardboard by glue or tape, whatever you having, like I am doing in this video, and you have to paste it accordingly. I have used Fevicol for it. Then I have to cut ends so it can stick easily, as you can see. And now I have stick the ends on the cardboard. After pasting that corners to the cardboard, paste one more sheet on the back side, and then it looks like this. Now you have to put pictures and a bow on this cardboard. Now I am making a bow of this Minnie Mouse cardboard. You have to fold the paper zigzag. I am taking red color paper. You can take any color you want. Now mark the line on that bow, divide that equally on the scale, and then crease that. I am doing it with a A4 size sheet. You can use according to your cardboard. Stick pictures. So after sticking the pictures, it look like this. Now it's time to stick bow on the top of the Minnie Mouse cardboard. I am using glue gun. You can use any Fevicol or stick, or you can use also glue gun if you are having. Now stick it on the right place, as I am sticking on the top of the Minnie Mouse cardboard. You can use glitter pen for decorating the cardboard. You can write codes on the space left on that cardboard. You can make dots, and it's all ready. So here is our Minnie Mouse wall hanging. I used the silver marker for that happy birthday and the quotes written on the cardboard, and for the dots on the top. You can use anything for decorating that piece. It's all depend on your creativity. So it look like this.
of you people recreating my DIYs, you can send me DM on my Instagram. My username is Somya_Shekhawat, SOMYA_SHEKHAWAT. I will post on my story, and I'm very happy if you recreate these. So thank you for watching my channel. That's all for today's video. Please hit a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.